Hey everybody, Scott here with my unboxing of this dog couch bed with removable cover. So I was sent this to provide my feedback on it, and we'll go ahead and do the unboxing here. So as you unbox it here, it's got the part that goes on the inside of the bed packaged up. And you take that out of there. We'll get this unrolled. So here's the foam part on the inside. Looks like we got a couple pieces here, so I'll go ahead and open this up. Actually, it's one big piece just folded up. So pretty large dog bed. This is the XL size. And then we got the waterproof cover here. And this package, go ahead and open this up. It is packaged up very well, as you can see. So here's the cover. So we'll just go ahead and slip this foam on the inside and show you what it looks like when it's done. Here is the zipper. Got the zipper here, it goes around it. And here's the end. I'll go ahead and unzip this. These are the pieces for the edge right here, and then we'll go ahead and put this in here. Here's a zipper. And now we'll go ahead and fit this in here. Okay, so we got the foam in here. We're going to have to kind of flatten it out a little bit, but there's what it looks like when it's done. And then we'll show you a picture of our dogs using it. As you can see, we got Oakley here. She's about 65 pounds using the bed. Just wanted to show you her laying in the bed and that she fits in it comfortably. Just wanted to show you Paisley laying in the bed. As you can see, she fits comfortably in it. She's a little over 60 pounds, and just wanted to show you her using it. So here's the washing instructions. Remove the foam core. Machine wash cover separately in cold water only. Delicate cycle and do not bleach, and air dry only. And then reshape as needed when you put the foam back in it. And then do not machine wash or dry the foam core. And then warning that the product is for pets only, not intended to be chew resistant, and then discontinue if torn or damaged.